Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to tag a release on GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you will need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle, identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So now after that you logged into your account, all you need to do is to go to your repository where you have the release. You will go just to this tag option or tag icon, you click on it. You will have here your own releases. So basically this is a release that I have just created. Then you will need to edit it, and if it was new you will have the same view that I'm going to have now. So you go to the edit view and this is how it looks like. After that, you will have here an option of tagging release. You click on it and here you will have your own tag. You can just have other tags by creating it. Let's just have tag new. And then you will need just to click create new tag. And as you can see, you will have this tag here. And basically after you add the new tag, etc., you will need just to click on update release and you will have your release that will be tagged if it was a valid tag. So basically you can just I'm going just to add or use my ancient tag, and I'm going it's already happened. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.